Hey, what's up guys? I got a great video for you today. I'm going to show you 3 of my students that I have with as an official teacher on PalFish, and I'm going to show you the patience, the listening, and all, of course, how to improve your students, because if you improve your students, you're going to get the students to come back. Retention rates, when they are high, that equals more pay for you and better karma. So anyway, make sure you watch this video all the way through, enjoy it, and at the end I got a special message to you about my online TEFL certification course. So anyway, be sure to watch it all the way through, and thanks to every subscriber out there. Let's make this happen. Eric, how are you today?
I'm great.
Okay. Anyway, why are you so happy? Why are you so great? Eric, did you eat dinner? You sure found them all.
Yes.
You can say, yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Okay. What did you eat?
I had rice, potato, tomato,
So one more.
and
I had rice, potatoes, tomatoes, and
meat.
I had rice, meat, potatoes, and tomatoes. Again, please.
I had rice, meat, potatoes, tomatoes,
And tomatoes.
and tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Tomato.
Again, what did you eat for dinner?
I had rice, meat, potatoes, and tomato.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Thank you. It was good.
Yeah, it was good.
It was good.
It was good.
Yeah, the food was good.
Yeah, the food was good.
Was. Yeah, the food was good.
Yeah, the food was good.
Good. You did
Good.
a wonderful job tonight. You are improving on your English. Your reading skills are getting better. Now here, I want you to read this story, please. It's called Sheep in a Jeep.
Sheep in a jeep.
Yeah, in a Jeep.
And a jeep.
Sheep in a Jeep.
Jeep and a jeep.
Yeah, good. Okay, Eric, so listen. Thank you. And I'll see you next time, okay? Have a good night.
Okay. Good night.
Good night, Eric. Thank you so much. 谢谢. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good night. And just like that, 3 more classes. It was a great class with the kid. He's a wonderful student. Now I have 3 more tonight and finished. What a wonderful day. So hey Lucas, I want to say thank you so much. I had a great time.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Lucas. Have a good night.
Wait.
Okay, left hand.
What? This?
Yes. Oh, man. Okay, hey Lucas. There it is, you got it. Okay, Mr. Magic Trick. Mr. Magic Trick Man. I'll see you. Have a good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good night. Really awesome, awesome class. 2 more lessons, 50 minutes, and then, even though I'm enjoying every minute of this, then it's like pure freedom. Late reading.
I read up late.
Look here.
Reading.
Wa. Say wa. Wa. Wa.
Walk.
Z.
Walk.
Was.
One.
Was.
One.
I was up late.
I read up late.
I was.
I would.
I was. Was. Was.
I would.
Look. Was.
Was.
Katrina, come on. I was.
I was.
Katrina, I'm so happy for you today. You made a lot of improvement in a very short time. So this is going to be your reading homework, okay? What does the book say? What's the name? What is the name of the book right here?
How are you?
How are you? How are you?
How are you?
Yeah, so it's like, can you say, hey, Teacher Camden, how are you?
Teacher, can are you?
I'm very happy because Katrina is a good student and she gets 5 stars. Okay, hey Katrina, so I want you to please send me your homework. Okay? Make sure you send me your homework. Okay, you can record your voice right here. You see here? Look, it says record. Record your voice. How the?
Okay.
Okay, Katrina. So again, I want to say thank you. You did a great job. Now, when you finish your homework, send it to me, and then I can listen.
Yes.
Okay, Katrina, so have a good night.
Good night.
Have a good night. Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye.
See you. And that's it. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you have a really fun, successful, happy day teaching English online with PalFish. And even though if you're not on PalFish or you don't want to be on PalFish, I don't know why, but it's okay. This goes for all English teaching online as well as face-to-face. I gave you guys a lot of tips there on how to help with the student with their pronunciation, how to get them to repeat. You see my patience. You see the level of patience it takes online staring at a screen. When you're face-to-face, at least you can like kind of move and you can interact with multiple students at a time. But when you're online, you got to sit there, and when the kid can't pronounce something, you've got to take that time to really help them. And you can't just flip through the slides. There's some times where you have to let things go, but I'm still a teacher that will do everything I can to try to make sure they're going to develop the right and the natural English voice for them. All right? So anyway, teaching is done. It's 8:26 in Thailand. It's time to grab the Uber, go to the mall, get some food shopping in, come back, have a good night's rest, wake up, and do it all over again. Let's go. Okay, so as you guys saw in this video with those 3 students, some take a long time, some can answer pretty quickly, some almost look like they don't really understand what's going on. Now, when you're teaching English online, you have to keep things into, macro perspective of, the student's new, they don't know who you are, they're looking at a screen, or they might be looking at a bigger screen like an iPad or something, but they're still looking at something very small, and they're in their room, they don't know who you are, so, and they're not even a native English speaker, so there's a lot of factors that are going to influence them to be shy or to be nervous or maybe not to talk too much or maybe not to engage too much. And so that's why you just have to be patient and allow things to kind of unfold and manifest. And when you're teaching kids online, you have to realize the scope of things. There's millions and millions of students that can learn English online. So if one doesn't work out for you, then that's okay. Maybe they're better with a different teacher, or maybe they just don't have the personality yet to be learning online. And all of those factors are okay. So you just do the best job that you can do, smile, be friendly, and look, you don't have to put on some kind of fake acting face. I'm not like one of these teachers who wants to be some picture perfect cut copy of what an online English teacher should be. Now, yes, I'm going to update my background and make things a bit more professional next month as a lot of new changes are coming in. But with that being said, the most important thing is you are the one who has the power to influence the student in the lesson and then get them to come back. And that's going to be through your personality. It's going to be through your ability to listen to the student and to also learn how to minimize certain amounts of words that I've heard so many teachers are talking too much and the students like, what's going on? And also, again, if you're dealing with Chinese people, if you're dealing with Thai people, if you're dealing with wherever you're teaching or whoever your audience is, whoever your students are, you really need to think about their language and their culture and the logic of their language. And if you're not doing that, not only are you going to miss out on an opportunity to learn something new, but you're going to miss a whole new section of discovering how to connect better with your students and the culture of your students. And if I never did that in Chinese, like if I didn't learn how to write Chinese and if I didn't start to practice and listen, I wouldn't be here. Not only I couldn't say this, but I wouldn't have built up, the reputation and the trust and credibility that I have in the last year with the Chinese people on PalFish. So anyway, just keep those things in mind. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to keep sharing more videos on my live in-class teaching, trying to show you guys how not to just go through things, but really sit there and focus and try to get that student to say it correctly, even if it takes them 10 times, and then move on. And this is something that I'm going to be discussing in my TEFL certification course. It's going to happen. So anyway, great things are coming. 2018 is the time to take action. And anyone who's interested in learning about my online 120-hour TEFL certification course, I'm going to get it uploaded, finish it all. So next month it'll be ready. And that way people can start to live their dream and get certified and understand how to become a teacher. And it's fascinating. I got all these amazing things and putting these ideas into action step by step each day. So to all you teachers out there or candidates who want to become teachers, be patient. Be patient. Good things will come to those who are patient and who don't quit, and those who have a good purpose, a good intention behind what they're doing. So that's what's always going to make the difference for the future. You guys out there, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for everything, all the questions, comments. If you have any questions about teaching English online, if you're interested in my certification course, let me know. You can add me on Facebook. I'm going to start doing more live streams on Facebook, Instagram, and also on PalFish, trying to get this message out there to as many teachers all around the world. So you know who you are. Thank you so much. Have a great day and keep teaching and keep inspiring. Plant those seeds.